Okay, I'm not sure how well this is going to work. My regular microphone seems to be having issues. So, first we heat our pan to a medium heat. And once our pan's at a medium heat, we are going to throw in a decent amount of olive oil. Probably about 4 tablespoons, I guess. We're going to let that heat up. Nice and heated now. We're going to throw in our black garlic. We're going to let this heat up. If you're not familiar with black garlic, just go buy some. We're going to stir that around. Try to break it down a bit. So this was 6 small cloves of black garlic. Okay, once that's heated up, we're going to grab 100 grams of criminy mushrooms and 100 grams of shiitake mushrooms, and we're just going to throw it all in there. Now at this point, we're going to go down to a medium-low heat because we want the liquid to come out of there. I almost forgot. We're going to add a pinch of seasoning salt. And about a pinch of cayenne pepper. Now we're going to let the moisture come out of this. So as you can see, it's come down quite a bit. At this point, besides knocking over a bunch of stuff on my cupboard, I'm going to add probably about 10 grams of butter. And I'm also going to add 43 grams of caramelized onions. I caramelized these the other day and I froze them, so I have caramelized onions around when I need them. And now we're going to up this to a medium heat. We'll give that a couple of minutes. Okay, after a couple of minutes, everything's brown and smelling quite nice. At this point, we're going to add, and this is the chicken stock I made earlier, 100 milliliters of chicken stock. At this point, I'm also going to add dried tarragon. Also, I'm going to move the heat down to a medium-low. So quite a bit of dried tarragon. Some dried oregano. And black pepper. Now the stock also helps deglaze the pan so it's a bit easier. Now, once this is all cooked up, we're going to add a chicken thigh that I am currently roasting in the air fryer. Okay, once that's all cooked up, we're going to add just a touch of lime juice, just to give it an acidy bite. And then we're going to put it in a bowl. Just a quick taste. Okay, the lime juice perks it right up. You could make it lemon, but I decided to do lime tonight. So I don't really have a name for this. It started off, it was going to be a clear mushroom soup, but it obviously didn't end up that way. So once you have it in a bowl, then garnish with the roasted chicken breast and Italian parsley, and I'll mix that all up when I go to eat it. I've also roasted some small nugget potatoes, and I've just to give a bite of freshness, some Campari tomatoes. That's it.